Hello little buddies, I am your EVS teacher. So students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing very great. So students, now we are going to start our second chapter. So students, open your book and tell me the name of our second chapter. Yes, it is growing up. So students, before we start our chapter, here let's do an warm up activity. Sow the seeds. These pictures shown a girl at different stages of her life. Number them in the right order. So students, you have to number these life stages of a girl. Now let's start our topic. First we have we all grow up. So students, as you know, we all born as a baby, then time by time we grow and maintain our life. Now let's start. Do you have a younger sister or brother? Have you noticed how she or he is growing? All living things grow differently. We all are very tiny when we are born. As the year go by, we grow up. This is a picture of Nina when she was a newborn baby. Her mother and father looked after her. Now, she was tiny at that time. She could not talk, walk, or crawl. She used to sleep most of the time. So, students, when the baby is newly born, he or she sleeps most of the time. They do not walk, they do not crawl. Now, this is a picture of Nina when she was still an infant. She had grown a little than what she was as a newborn baby and had started crawling, but she was still very small and could not take care of herself. Her parents looked after her. So, students, now in this stage, Nina is now crawling. Now let's read next. These are the pictures of Nina when she was a toddler. Her parents taught her to walk. She loved to run around the house in unsteady steps. Nina is now a young child of 7 years. She can walk, talk, eat on her own. She goes to school. She loves to do gymnastics and make clay toys. This is a picture of Nina and her mother. In some years, Nina will grow up and become an adult like her mother. Many years from now, Nina will grow very old like her grandmother. Her body will become weak, her hair will turn white, and she may not be able to run and play anymore. So, students, these are some stages of our life when we born, then as a toddler, then as an adult, and then as a old man or woman. Now students, do you know a boy or a girl between the age of 13 and 19 is called a teenager. Now let's start our next topic. We learn to do things on our own. So as we grow up, we learn to do many things on our own. We learn to walk, talk and look after ourselves. By the time we are a young child, we can brush our teeth, take bath, wear our clothes and buckle our shoes or tie the shoelaces on our own. So students, these are some activities we can do as we grow up by ourselves. Now, next we have all living things grow. Besides us, all living things grow as time goes by. They too change in form with age. A plant is usually born from a seed. A seed grows into a seedling. A seedling is a small plant. Next, it becomes a fully grown tree after some years. The tree dies. Here you can see students, here you can see the picture of a seed grows to become a bush or tree. Now students, here we have digging in thoughts. What are the things you do daily by your own and in what things your parents help? So students, you have to answer these questions. What things you can do by yourselves and what things do your parents help you to do? Now let's continue. Look at the tiny eggs of a bird shown below. It hatched into small baby birds called nestlings. A nestling grows, learn to fly and become an adult bird. A duckling grows into duck. A chick grows into a hen. Here you can see the pictures of an egg grows to become bird. So students, this is the life stage of a bird from egg to a adult bird. Now students, here we have secrets of the garden, that is our summary. Here you can see the flow chart. First, in the center, you can see stages of our growth: newborn, then infant, then toddler, then young child, then a teenager, then adult, and then old. Here, on the other hand, you can see all living things grow. On the other side, you can see as we grow, we learn to do things on our own. So students, this is it from our EVS chapter. I hope you all enjoy this chapter and learn so many new things. Students, now we will meet in our next chapter. Till then, revise what we learn. Bye bye.